Wow, this drawing's so pretty! I'll add more blue.
Hey, kiddo. That's looking good. Maybe I can help? I'll color in the house.
Oh, good idea, Dad!
What's going on? Oh! Make some room for me.
Hey, what are you doing? The house isn't orange.
It is!
Stop it!
Mom? Dad?
You're ruining it!
Okay, that's it.
Bring it on!
Is that the best you've got?
You ain't seen nothing yet! What happened?
Where are we? Look what you did! My drawing's ruined!
Oh, it's okay, honey. Don't worry. Quick, we need to fix this. I need some inspiration.
This is making me hungry. Oh, I know. I always come prepared.
Are you kidding me?
What? I need to eat.
You always think with your stomach.
Mom, do something!
I'm sorry, honey. This won't take long.
You can't rush perfection.
I'm so bored. This isn't fair!
Can you hurry up? Emma's upset. Give me that.
Get your own rice. No! Look what you did.
We'll talk about this later. There's rice everywhere. Hold on. This gives me an idea. I'll put some drops of food coloring into a glass of water. Then I'll give it a stir. Now I'll add rice. Next, I need this glue. I'll apply the glue to my drawing. I'll only put it on the grass area. Then I need my rice. I'll sprinkle the rice over the glue. I can use different colored rice for different parts of the drawing. Now I can blow off the excess rice. Wow! It looks good enough to eat. What do you think, Emma?
Huh? Wow! I love it, Mom! What about you, Dad?
Huh? Did you say something, Emma? Wait, what's going on? There's only one thing for it. The things I do for my family.
Dad looks silly!
I'm not finished yet. I need some paper. Check this out. It's a self-portrait.
It's great, but Mom wins this round.
Thanks, sweetie. You don't need to clean your room now.
Woo! This is fun! Ooh, what's this?
Just look at her.
Emma, put that down.
Nah.
Stop it right now, young lady. Are you listening to me?
Uh-oh. Her eye is doing that weird twitching thing. That's trouble. Take it easy. Try this.
Give me that. I can feel the tension melting away. That's better. You just get me, dear. Wait, I think I can use this. I'll start by drawing a tree. You gotta love nature. This black pen is perfect for the branches and trunk. That looks good. Now I'll take a small square of bubble wrap and dip it in paint. I'll mix the pink and white. I'll dab it over the drawing. It gives the impression of leaves. It's a beautiful blossom tree. Do you like it, Emma? Oops. Silly me.
Wow, Mom! It's amazing!
Hey, maybe I can use this too. I know what to do. How do I look? No one say better looking. I'm a work of art.
Are you for real?
It's great, Dad! The winner is… Mom!
Again? Wow, what an honor.
Really?
Let me pop that bubble. What's that smell? It stinks! It's getting stronger. Oh, I might have known.
What's wrong? That's my natural odor. It smells great.
I have just the thing. Use it. A lot.
Fine.
At least you won't smell.
Thanks.
Oh, it's like the night we met.
My personal hygiene was bad that night too.
It was so romantic. Give me a kiss.
Like I would ever say no.
Yuck! That's so gross!
Huh? Oh, hi honey.
Sorry.
Now what am I gonna do? Wait a minute. I think I have an idea. Listen to this, dear.
What are they doing?
Got it? Let's get to work. First, I'll take the deodorant apart. Just like this. Now I'll fill the container with paint. Then put the roller back on. When I press it on the paper, paint comes out. It's just like a paintbrush. And it's great for creating art. Look at that! It deserves to be in a frame. Look at this. It's wonderful. It's a joint effort.
Whoa!
We can hang it in the living room. It can replace the photo of Grandma. Behave!
It's a tie!
Well deserved! That deserves a quick kiss.
I'm so sleepy.
Emma! Yoo-hoo!
Classic, Mom. I'm just gonna close my eyes.
Look! I can touch my nose with my tongue. See? What a talent. Can you do this? I've got my eye on you. Oh my! Pink suits you! I feel so alive. I could get used to this.
Great, Dad. Keep the noise down. I'm gonna catch up on my beauty sleep.
I thought that would work. We tried our best. Oh, how about some shadow puppets?
Shadow puppets?
Pretty impressive, huh?
Why didn't you start with this? It's so entertaining!
Breaking out the old shadow puppets, eh? It doesn't look that hard. Oh, I have an idea. I'll place my hand on the paper. Then draw around it. Now I just need to add the finer details. Like some eyes. It's a dragon. But he isn't finished yet. He needs some color. Can't forget about the flame. Check this out.
Wow!
I thought you'd like it.
I'm gonna try some balloon art. It's a dog!
Hey, stay back, boy! Run away!
What a show! You both win!
Look! Oh, amazing!
I want my hair to look pretty. I know. Catch!
What are we supposed to do with these?
I know. I could use these pencils. And one of these hairbands. I think this might work. I'll wrap the hairband around 2 pencils. I need to make sure they are secure. I'll attach a second pencil at the other end. That's just what I want. I'll put one pencil over this cupcake drawing, and then trace around it. The second pencil will make a copy. Look at that! Now I just need to color it in. I'll make sure I stay in the lines. This is going to look great. There! I'm finished. Do you like it? That one's mine.
Let me have a look at that. Wow, that's pretty clever. I wonder what I can do. I'll join the pencils together. And use them as a catapult. Take that!
Careful! Stop it! Ouch!
Ow! I feel dizzy.
You sort of deserve that.
Nice shot, Dad! There's one clear winner!
That's so nice, honey.
Where am I?
Oh, you're such a joker.
Ooh, these crayons are nice. Here, Mommy!
Good throw. I got it!
This is too easy. Aw, I might have gotten a little excited. They're all broken.
Good luck with that.
It's alright. I've got this glue. I'm great at DIY. They'll be as good as new. Let's try it out. Oh, pretend that didn't happen. Don't worry. I have a backup plan. I can use this.
You're kidding, right?
That's not gonna work, Dad!
At least I'm trying. There's only one thing for it.
Honey, put the hammer down!
I know what I'm doing. Wait a minute. I have a better idea. I'll scatter the chalk over this butterfly template. Then place a plastic sheet over the top. Now to work out my tension. This is my kind of art. We need to talk later. I'll focus on my art. It's not too bad. I'm finished too. I'll remove the template. It looks good. Do you like it? Or do you like my watermelon?
Ooh, this is tough. It's a tie!
I'll take it.
Well done! So interesting. Coffee and a magazine. This is the ideal me time. So peaceful. My pajamas! I'm soaked!
Did you see my jump? What you doing? Why are your clothes wet? Did you spill coffee? Why'd you do that?
Hi, sweetie.
Hi, Mom! Bye, Mom!
It's okay. Just breathe. She didn't. They didn't. Oh my.
Boo! Scared you! Oops.
Not again. Why you… Where did she go? A nice glass of soda before bed. No. It can't be. What was that? She's near. No. Please no. I need to hide. She'll never find me here. Phew. Safe at last. Now to enjoy this cool, refreshing soda.
Got you! This is fun! Hi, Mom!
What did I do to deserve this? I just want a soda.
Mom? Mom? Are you okay? Oh, I get it! Don't worry, Mom. I know what to do. I just need a balloon and some scissors. Cut off the top and bottom of the balloon. Stretch the balloon over a glass of soda. And you have a non-spill cup!
Clean at last. Just stay over there.
Here, Mom. I made you a drink.
For me?
I hope you like it. Love you, Mom!
Don't! Stop it! Be careful! The drink! It's not spilling! Wow! Love you too, sweetheart! Just home from the salon. I love this haircut. What the? There are dirty marks everywhere. Ugh. They go in there. Oh no. The bathroom. Hello? It's everywhere! There's something behind the shower curtain. Don't be scared. Got you!
Oh, hi, Mom!
Ooh, ugh, so messy. Look at you. Chocolate bars? Phew. I thought it was… Hand over the chocolate.
But they're mine!
Hand them over.
Not fair!
You ate all this chocolate? I know. Put some chocolate in a bowl. Melt it. Dip a spoon in the melted chocolate. And then into some sprinkles. A chocolate popsicle on a spoon. I have a treat for you.
Oh, wow!
Here you go.
Both? For me? Yummy! Thanks, Mom!
You're welcome, honey. Now I need to deal with this mess.
2 different styles, but a whole lot of excellent art. What was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.